Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to super jump in Minecraft Python. It is sending the player high in the air by using the power of addition. So first we're going to connect with from mcpi.minecraft import Minecraft. Now mc equals minecraft.create and then parentheses. And you press enter, and we know if it's connected by the command block thing. So when the server starts up, this shows up. So it says starting output thread and an open connection. So don't exit this out or it will close down the server. So we're gonna just minimize it and continue. Now we're gonna go position equals mc dot player dot get tile pause, which is short for position. Now x equals position dot x, y equals position dot y, and z equals position dot z. Now we're gonna go x equals x plus 5 plus 5. And then mc dot player dot set tile pause to x comma y comma z. Now when you press enter, you see it's super jumping me up. You saw that? Now if we change the 5 to 10, we're gonna have to do this. And then we go here and we press enter and creates a new one, and we press enter again, and it super jumped me 10 blocks. So let me put a torch to see. So we're gonna go up. Let's see. It super jumped me from here I used to be over here, and it super jumped me all the way into here. So far it jumped me into the wall. That was only 10 blocks, so let's see where's 10 blocks from. So it's here. Now we're 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it used to be somewhere around here. I think here. Yeah. So we can travel farther. But first we'll go to the code. The x equals x plus 10. And we go to the end and we can press enter. Then we can change this to maybe 20. And then we press enter again. And then we go to mc.player and we press enter. Now enter again, and it'll jump us 20 blocks to the side. Yeah, there we go. So let's see where we are first. Jeez, my base is all the way down there. So if I keep going this way, I'll go back to where I was. See? So I used to be over here. Now I jumped all the way over here. So that's how you super jump in Minecraft Python. and I'll see you in another video. Bye.